If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Venmo, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you no longer receive unwanted charges. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Method option. This section will display all your linked payment methods and any active subscriptions. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Find the Subscriptions or Recurring Payments section. Here, you will see a list of all active subscriptions. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on Venmo. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Venmo support for help.